In this video we are going to share with you 5 usefulness of SEO in growing businesses. A growing business needs search engine optimization or SEO to help them with rankings and steady amount of traffic. Investing in SEO can be beneficial if done correctly and observing these bases. Number 1. Credibility. A website is considered credible if search engines display your link on the first page. This can be aided with relevant content, regularly checked keywords, and SEO can help you with this. Number 2. Visitor conversion. Trustworthy websites entices visitors to buy your product by exhibiting what your market is all about. Number 3. Web flow. Understanding SEO means staying on the top of search engine results and adequate knowledge of how algorithms as well as coding in the web work. Number 4. Provides web traffic. Continuously optimizing will improve your chances of getting quality traffic, which equates clicks to your website. Number 5. SEO is economical. SEO requires business strategies and research for current keywords that will take you on the top of the results. To get more SEO videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your website, visit us at successonline.com.au. We'd love to help you.